Here we go with step 5. So we just got done uploading the unit folder in the W drive to the Google Drive. So here's my Google Drive, and I have this unit 4 and all the resources from OneNote inside of it. So what we're going to do now is go to the Google Doc, and we're going to connect on the Google Doc, make a link that connects it to these file folders that are in the Google Drive. So here's my Unit 4 frame, and I have a space for mini lessons that go with this standard. What does that look like on OneNote? Well, on OneNote, we've just kind of dumped the files in here. Now, rather than creating a link for each individual file, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to create a link to the folder, and the folder has all the files. This will save us some time. Okay, not sure what I mean? Let me show you. Back to the frame we go on the Google Doc. I am going to type in what I want my link to say. I'm just going to type in mini lessons. Now this is where I'm going to make a link. I'm going to highlight that part, insert link. Actually, back up, sorry. Before I insert the link, I have to get the link. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to find the mini lessons for this standard, 6.2 AB. Okay, and I'm going to link to this folder. So I'm going to click Share, and when I do, I'm going to get the shareable link. Quick Control-C, done. Now I'm going to go back to the Unit 4 frame, and now I have a link to insert here. I'm going to highlight, insert, link. Then I'm going to paste in the link to the folder and then apply. So now, instead of having a link to each individual resource, I'm just going to click this now, and it will take me to this folder which contains each of these items. And so it's just one more step. Okay. Then when I double click the resource, it opens up, and then I can save it if I want to, I can print it if I want to, whatever I want to do with it. So let's do that one more time to make sure that we're clear. I'm going to insert the mini lessons. This is the mini lessons column for the standard 6.2C equivalence beyond fractions, decimals, and percents. So I want to get a link that I'm going to insert here. First type the text. Now I'm going to go get the link. Okay. Right now I'm in mini lessons, and I'm on 6.2C. So I'm going to get the link to this folder. Control-C, done. And I'm going to go back to my frame, and I'm going to highlight. Now I could do insert link, but a shortcut is Control-K. And when you do a lot of linking, Control-K is a nice shortcut to be able to use. Control-K, it brings up the same box. Then I'm going to do a Control-V, which is a keyboard shortcut for paste, and then apply. So now I have, when I click this link, I now have the folder for the mini lesson for 6.2C. So what is this starting to look like? Well, I've already kind of done some work here. So for the standard 6.2 AB, I have the mini lessons for it, and independent practice. I see the standards, how long it should take, the mini lessons, the notes, and then I have the independent practice to go with it. Oh, it's an empty folder. I haven't added any files yet.